Yeah.
Glad to do it. All right, so we're showing off Toyota Entune, our new multimedia system featuring Bing, iHeart, MovieTickets.com, OpenTable, Pandora. So we're integrating these great apps that people love and our owners have told us they want into the vehicle all over 3G and Bluetooth connection. So what you're seeing on the screen is actually being delivered from a mobile handset like this Android. We work on iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, feature phones as well. We'll announce the full list of phones at a later date. So one thing to point out too is once you pair the phone, you put it to the side and forget it. So no need to touch the phone while you're driving. And using our AppDate technology, Toyota AppDate technology, we can also update the applications all wirelessly over the phone. So just like today when you get a notification of a new app on your iPhone, same thing applies to this. You go to the iTunes Music Store, download the new Entune app. No worries. So with Bing, we already have about 8 million points of interest in the vehicle with our nav system. Bing has 16 million, so we're bringing in some additional content to the car. So with Bing, I can search for, say, coffee.
Now, is this compatible with Bluetooth headsets as well? Can
Yeah.
you Bing search from your headset?
No. Different scenario. So once this is paired with the phone, then all of the hands-free calling and all that is over the internal speakers in the car.
Okay.
So no need for the Bluetooth headset. So it's going out in real time to Bing and retrieving results. So this is all live. So as an example, if I wanted to go to Starbucks, I'd select Starbucks. So there's the result. I can call the location. I can also see a map. Make sure this is the one I want. And if I want to, I can get turn driving directions by pressing Go To. As well, we're bringing in iHeart Radio, which has 750 local radio stations from across the U.S. So as an example, say I'm from Atlanta, I want to listen to an Atlanta Braves game, but I live in LA. I can't get local Atlanta radio, so now I can. So here's an example. We'll go through all cities and just select Sacramento. So this is all live. It's going out retrieving the list of cities.
Is this going over that phone right there?
That phone right there.
Perfect.
Yeah, no Wi-Fi. This is all over 3G live. So this system works. So it's going over and retrieving the stream from iHeartRadio. Here we go. We'll listen to my 9 to 5. There we go. So on the screen, we're actually getting radio or album art, as well as artist and title. So one thing that's special about our system as well is we can multitask it. So you can listen to iHeartRadio while you're searching through Bing.
How many applications can you run simultaneously?
So it's really, at this point with these apps, it's going to be an internet radio station and one other app, because you can only interact with so much at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not really a system limitation, it's more of a user interface and use case. So movie tickets and OpenTable kind of solving the Saturday night dilemma. You know, dinner and a show. Need to buy some tickets, need to find a table. So here with movie tickets, say Rave Motion Pictures, that's our favorite theater. Why don't we see what's playing? I'm going to guess it's Harry Potter. So it just takes a second. It's logging on using your credentials and all that, going out and retrieving real-time results to see what's available, what's not, and at what time. So there's a lot of work behind the scenes here. So, hey, you guessed it, Harry Potter. So Harry Potter's playing. The next show time is at 10:25. So let's take a further look at Harry Potter. So we can see rating, duration. If there are more show times than just the one, I could actually see others. And I can also buy tickets. So what's really nice is the fact that you can buy tickets from the vehicle. So you're actually completing the transaction, not calling, nothing like that. You're actually doing all this from the car. So here, we're not going to confirm it because I don't want to buy up the entire theater all myself, right? Another nice thing too is, just like with Bing search results, if you want to call the location or map it, same thing applies. So if you want to get driving directions, you can. So theaters across the U.S. With Open Table, we're integrating 15,000 restaurants into the vehicle using the Open Table system. In fact, it leverages the Open Table point system as well. So if you're a current Open Table user, all those things transcend. So this is GPS based, so we know where you're at, right? So we'll make it convenient, location based. So we'll search for restaurants within the area. So Las Vegas.
And uses your phone GPS to do that, or does it have its
it's
own
already got a
GPS?
GPS antenna built in, so it uses that.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of battery usage you can expect on your phone.
It's a great question. I don't think we've benchmarked that yet. So here's NB Steakhouse as an example. You can see there's some available times and ratings. 0.2 miles away. So here we go. So these are the available time slots. If I wanted to book a table at 7:15, I'd simply select it. I won't confirm the reservation. However, if you have, again, an Open Table account, it'll confirm it and actually send you a confirmation notice.
They'll send you it via email.
And actually, it'll use you can input your phone and get a text message.
What kind of car are you thinking about?
I'm sorry?
What kind of car are you thinking about putting in?
So we'll announce which vehicles will be available on closer retail availability. We haven't announced those yet. And we're also integrating Pandora. So adding the library of Pandora to the vehicle. There's millions and millions of happy Pandora fans out there. So we've customized the Pandora interface. It's similar to what you're used to, but it's customized to the vehicle. So if you have an existing Pandora account, you've already gone through a lot of work to create your stations. So those come into the vehicle just like this is my Pandora setup. We're in Vegas, right? We want to listen to some Elvis.
It's got all the photos you need on that.
So it's going out retrieving the artists like Elvis, just like Pandora works. Oh, sorry, I paused it here.
Yeah, it's definitely playing.
Thank you. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.